Thermodyne's patented fluid shelf technology stands in a class of its own when compared to other heating methods in the industry. Conducting heat directly through the food creates an ideal atmosphere that makes our cooking, holding, and rethermalizing cabinets an obvious choice for your kitchen. Over the next few minutes, we're going to take a look at what makes Thermodyne different from the competition. Specifically, we're going to look at the differences between conduction and convection technology, how fluid shelf technology works, Thermodyne's ease of use and precise temperature control, as well as maintaining food quality, reducing waste, and food safety. Let's look at each one of these topics in more detail, starting with convection versus conduction technology. Thermodyne's heat distribution system uses conduction as opposed to convection. The patented fluid shelf technology uses a manifold system to evenly distribute heated fluid to each individual shelf at the same time. This process is repeated continuously as fluid returns to the heat tank for redistribution. The fluid shelf system keeps the heat source in constant motion, allowing every square inch of surface to provide the same result. Compared to conventional models requiring perimeter heat sources or fans to distribute hot air, Thermodyne units achieve a more consistent result and higher quality end product. With convection heating, the primary issue is the obstruction of airflow inside the cabinet. This obstructed airflow causes uneven distribution of heat to the products being held. With fluid shelf technology, food products are protected from the unstable environment of conventional holding cabinets. Heat transfer fluid is heated to the required temperature and is continuously circulated through the heat transfer plates inside the cabinet, providing exact temperature distribution to the food. Let's see how this is accomplished. When power is applied to the unit, the pump begins to operate, and the pressure side moves the fluid to the delivery manifold using the delivery line. The delivery manifold is connected to the fluid shelves by Teflon hoses. The fluid then circulates through the shelves, heating the food. On the return side of the shelves, Teflon hoses connect to the return manifold, which is also connected to the return line and the heater tank. From the heater tank, the fluid travels back to the suction side of the pump, where the process is repeated. The reservoir tank contains additional heat transfer fluid and acts as a supply or overflow as needed. The benefits of using a Thermodyne unit include its ease of use, precise temperature distribution, even without doors on the unit, the ability to maintain a high standard of food quality on every serving, reducing food waste, and increasing food safety. Since there are no confusing dials or controls, the Thermodyne is as easy to use as turning the unit on. The patented fluid shelf technology regulates even temperature distribution throughout every shelf. The quality of your menu items will be consistently maintained at the high standards your customers have come to enjoy. Independent studies have concluded that food held in a Thermodyne is rendered sterile by eliminating the microbiological problems that exist in conventional holding cabinets.